Join the challenge now. Launch your first, or next funnel. You are in a job that you hate, and you are trying to get out? You are an entrepreneur with your own company, but you are stuck, and you are not sure why? The life you want, the marriage you want, the family that you want, is going to be fueled by the business you build. Are you ready for the challenge? For that one funnel that will help you to have more impact on the world. Your challenge kit will have everything you need for success during your 30 days. Even if you are just getting started, and have no idea where to start. You are in a dead-end job that you hate, and you want to start your own business or start working from home. You have a company that has been successful, but for some reason you are feeling stuck. You are trying to figure out a way to reach more people, or have a bigger impact on the world. You are convinced that you need a funnel, but not sure where or how to start. You are about to launch your next funnel, and want to make sure it has a huge success. Join the challenge now by clicking the link in the description below.